This is Reza, President and founder of Digital Canada Communications, right here in cold Canada. Based in Toronto, today minus 10 degrees Celsius, and as you can see, it's just absolutely fascinating. Well, my feet right now is at least in 1.5 feet of snow. And here's the trail right across my place. My feet's getting frozen, so I think I'm gonna be heading out of here in no time. But just look at that. That is really beautiful. It's completely snowed in. Oh, Canada. The true north. Snow. And freezing. Holy crap. Alright. Walking straight down. Whoa! Alright. Look at that. Look at that.